2023, and I'm back ready to give you the top 4 altcoins I think could make you the most money this year. Forget 2022, and we're not in 2024 yet, so 2023, let's kick it off. Before we get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for love and educational purposes only. Let's get straight in. So number 1, we're talking about Polygon. Now, with Polygon, it's a framework and layer 2 scaling solution that's highly organized and user-friendly. All right, like it says, it believes in Web3 for all. Polygon's a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable, user-friendly dApps, that's decentralized apps, with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security. The official website is polygon.technology. Let's have a quick look at the price right now. Heading over to CoinMarketCap, you can see we're at 0.7848. Having a look at their monthly already, it is going down. After Christmas, everything is going down. January is a great time to start getting some of your dollars inside of these markets. So you can see it going down. We do see these pushes up trying to happen. So Polygon is number 1 on my list for the number 1 altcoin to get into 2023 this year. Let me know in the comments if you agree, and let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is Bitcoin. Now, I want you to come over to this article. It's thetimes.co.uk and carry on the / All right, it's going to ask you, should you be investing in Bitcoin? I'm here to tell you number 2 on my list is Bitcoin because it is the driving factor for all cryptos, okay? Bitcoin is an incredible driving factor, whether you're getting into Polygon, whether you're getting into XRP, Ethereum, anything, all right? It sort of takes the wheel on that. Now, it's extremely volatile and high risk at the moment, all right? It's certainly not a good idea to invest everything you've got into Bitcoin, all right? I'm not here to tell you to do that. I'm here to tell you to start putting little bits of it, maybe 25% of your portfolio into Bitcoin right now, because once we start moving up, whatever it is you're invested in that's going to be moving up, Bitcoin's going to be moving with it. Let's have a look at the price of Bitcoin right now. So just typing in Bitcoin price in Google, right? It comes up straight away, £13,879. I don't know what that is in dollars, but you can transfer it and have a look at the bottom. All right, but you can see just going from the 5 daily and the monthly where we're going is highly volatile at the moment. All right, so I wouldn't be chucking everything in, but I would start getting about 25% of my portfolio added in. And the way I would do it is maybe put 5% in today, 5% in next week, and keep going like that until you've got about 25% in Bitcoin. All right, you've got to be very clever when investing into anything, never mind Bitcoin, any currency at all. All right, if you don't know how it works, please go onto this article and read about it. Don't just believe what I'm saying. Right, so you need to know if you understand exactly what you're investing into. Are you happy with the level of risk that you're putting in? How much more expensive is it now compared to, again, go on the charts, go 3 months, 6 months, a year, go all-time highs? All right, is there any evidence to suggest price could rise even higher or go lower than it is right now? These are the kind of things you need to look at. So without further ado, that's number 2. Let's move on to number 3 in 2023, what I think is going to make you the most money. Number 3 is my favorite crypto, okay? It's Ethereum. The reason it's my favorite is because it's probably the biggest driving factor for all NFTs. All right, if you go on OpenSea and things like that, they're driven by Ethereum. Now, is it a good investment right now? In my eyes, yes, similar to the Bitcoin story. Okay, it's the second biggest crypto due to market cap, and following the Bitcoin trend, it always has done. So I would put 25% of my portfolio, I think, into Ethereum. Again, I would do it in martingale strategy. I'd start putting dollar averaging 5% every week, maybe every month, however you want to do it, however safe you want to play. Okay, but I know that Ethereum is going to do very, very well, especially when NFTs start picking back up. Now, it's an innovative technology that can actually change the whole world. To be more precise, Ethereum has introduced dApps, again, they're decentralized apps, and transactions without a middleman. Okay, thanks to the introduction of smart contracts and things like that, they actually put these on the market, helping NFTs become how big they are today. So I think 2023, we're going to have a very good year with Ethereum. Let's have a quick look at the price before we move on to number 4. We're looking at CoinDesk.com, all right, and we're at $1,218. That's the price of Ethereum right now. We have had a little push up in the last day, but if you check on the monthly, like all cryptos, we are starting to fall, okay? All-time highs, do I think we're going to get back to our all-time highs of 4,500? Not this year, but I think by the end of this year with the bull run coming in November, December, which is what is predicted, we will be getting back to that at the start of 2024. So start dollar cost averaging your money into Ethereum this year. Now, number 4, we've got something special for you. It's Vulcan Forged. If you're wondering what even is this, PYR, right, I'm about to tell you how incredible this could be for you. Now, if you don't plan on playing any of the Vulcan Forge games yourself, all right, it's a good investment to make in 2023, purely because all the metaverse and gaming projects with NFTs will likely grow massively in this in the near future. Now, there are some advantages to make Vulcan stand out from the competition. We've heard of some of the competitions, right, but we're not here to promote them today. Here to tell you that Vulcan could be one of the best competitors. Now, its ecosystem is highly functional, has a lot of important use cases. It's used to pay fees, its currency allowing you to trade unique NFTs. You can stake, generate passive income, all the good things that we're looking for on them. But the most important thing is PYR. That's their native token. It's a valuable cryptocurrency, not just for the players, but for the blockchain developers too. All right, it empowers them with access to groundbreaking Anvil NFT engine and to the Vulcan Forged metaverse. So not even just for the players, for every single person involved in the project, the token is powerful. That's why I think this stands out from the rest, and that's why it's number 4. Let's have a look at the price right now. The price was sitting at a whopping $2.92. All right, so you can get a lot of this token for not a lot of money compared to your things like Polygon, Bitcoin, Ethereum that we talked about earlier in this video. So get yourself, even if you just get a little bit, get yourself some. On the opinion of me, just don't go too crazy and watch what happens in 2023, because I truly believe this could be one of the biggest competitors for all NFT gaming and things like that. Let's jump to the summary. Well, there you have it. That's my top 4 for 2023. Now, please do your own research and be safe in the markets, all right? We've got Polygon, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Vulcan. That's PYR. A lot of people haven't heard of that, but I'm here to throw it into your portfolio. Now, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you love this, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Thank you for all the support. Let us know in the comments if you're going to be back, if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.